Hi viewers, welcome to History Lessons. Today we are going to discuss about Reformation short notes. In these short notes, we will discuss about Martin Luther, Zwingli, John Calvin. See the synopsis first. Martin Luther, born in 1483 in Germany, is a professor in theology in Wittenberg. His doctrine was justification by faith, and also he questions the authority of Pope and evil practices of Church. In 1517, he opposed uh, the Tetzel, the agent of Pope, who was selling the indulgence. Luther condemned the indulgence sale, and also he pasted 95 theses at Wittenberg Church. Pope released the punish orders, but that orders was burned by Luther and his followers. Hid for 1 year, in this span of 1 year, he translated the Bible in German. He is supported by nobles, not peasants. He did not support the peasant revolt. He bring the split in Catholic Christianity, Catholics versus Protestants, who protest the Catholic Church evil practices. That the Christianity is split into two parts. Confession of Augsburg, a civil war continued in Europe. Finally, in 1555, legal recognitions for Protestants. This is the Reformation movement led by Martin Luther. And Zwingli, he is one of the priest reformer, opposed sale of indulgence, more radical views than Martin Luther. He also questions the evil practices of Catholic Church. Unfortunately, at Koppel battle, Zwingli died. In Switzerland, nearly Protestant reason was influenced due to the Zwingli movement. John Calvin, French reformer, wrote the Institutes of the Christianity Religion, Protestant theology basis book. It is also moral conduct for the people. It is a compass. He forbade the dance, theaters, and music. His slogan was God's will is supreme and determines everything. He was proposed the church democratic base. His views are called as Presbyterianism in France. It also called as Calvinism in Europe. These are the short notes we will discuss in this session. So, firstly, Martin Luther. See the Martin Luther, the famous reformer, Martin Luther. Martin Luther, he was the leader of a Protestant movement. The term Protestant revolt used to denote split in Roman Catholic. Between the years of 1520 and 1570, a separation occurred in the peoples of northern Germany, Scandinavia, northern Netherlands, most of Switzerland, Scotland, and England. The name Protestant was first applied exclusively to the separatists under the leadership of Martin Luther. In 1529, Luther protested against the attempt of the Diet of Holy Roman Empire to prevent the introduction of religious novelties. Subsequently, the name became in common usage to indicate the designation all Christians who rejected the papal supremacy and yet were not in communication with the Orthodox Church. Lutheranism takes in name of apostle. Martin Luther was born in 1483 in Germany. He was ambitious, intelligent, and willing to put forward his opinions against those world. He was educated in theology, humanism at the University of Erfurt. After education in 1505, he joined Augustine Order of Friars, but for a long time he was unhappy with the anti-religious activities. In 1508, he left order, became professor of theology in the University of Wittenberg. Gradually, he derived conviction which was different from teachings of Catholic Church. Luther developed the doctrine of justification by faith. It was opposed to Catholic doctrine, justification by sacraments and works. To Luther, faith alone meant the salvation. Hence, he began to question the authority of Pope and the evil practices of Church. Indulgences were authoritative certificates which purports to remit the punishment of sins. The idea of the sins like worldly offenses could be committed by fine, but this practice was misused by the Pope and church authorities. The popes, their greed earning money, granted indulgence carelessly without insisting the penance of the offender. The practice of using indulgence as means income rose opposition of Martin Luther. In 1517, a Dominican was organized. The Luther, he was sent to Germany by Pope Leo X, the Tetzel, who was a agent. For this, he opposed first time. This became the beginning of Protestant movement. The superstition and nature of the people collected out of money. Luther at once protested against what he believed the corruption. At that time, he nailed his famous 95 Theses on the church door at Wittenberg. It condemned the indulgence at the same time drew the challenge to anyone debate with him. Out of this controversy, Protestant church was born. Slowly, gradually, Luther's ideas were spread all over Germany and Europe. Prince, knights, merchants, other nobles supported this movement. Churchill was forced to give up the selling of indulgences. This was unacceptable to Pope and church authorities. He released a bull of excommunication against Luther, but Luther publicly burned the bull. Thus, he declared war against the papal authority. Emperor Charles V passed decree outlaw against Luther. Luther was summoned by Emperor Diet of Worms. Under the political pressure, Diet ordered for his arrest, but he was rescued by his friends and nobles. In this, he translated Holy Bible into German in 1522. Luther returned to Wittenberg and started preaching his doctrine. Thus, the Protestant order of Lutheran Church came to existence. Luther was opposed to any political reforms, but the Germans stood for political changes. The knights and the lesser nobility revolted in Germany for securing political right for themselves. Similarly, peasants revolted, but the peasant revolt was not supported by the Martin Luther. Hence, the nobles suppressed the peasant revolt. And also, civil war between Catholics and Protestants was terminated by Augsburg in 1555. Thus, the Christianity was split into two parts. One is Catholic, the old one. The another one is Protestant. In Augsburg 1555 agreement, it gave a legal recognition to Protestants. However, the settlement granted toleration to the rulers but not to the people. Ultimately, it led to the 30 Years' War in Europe. These are the brief Reformation movement led by Martin Luther. The another reformer is Zwingli. In Switzerland, the Reformation was preached by Zwingli. He was a priest. Like Martin Luther, he was a reformer and also condemned the sale of indulgence. He moved to Zurich, where he collected large number of reformers. His views were more radical than Martin Luther. While Luther stood for Prince of Church, Zwingli favored democratically organized people's church. He questioned the efficacy of the common services of Catholics and the Protestants. Unfortunately, in the Battle of Coppel, Zwingli was killed in 1531. So the Reformation movement in Switzerland received a setback. The result was the Switzerland became partly Protestant and partly Catholic. This is the Zwingli's movement in Switzerland. It rose to the Protestant movement in Switzerland. So next we will discuss about the Catholic movement, that is Calvinism. John Calvin was a Frenchman by birth. He studied law. As a student, he was much influenced by Lutheranism. He became an advocate of Reformed faith. He left France, lived in exile in Germany and Switzerland. In 1546, Calvin published the famous book, The Institutes of Christian Religion. This book was first scientific treatise on Protestant theology. He settled down in Geneva in Switzerland and began to spread his ideologies among the people of Geneva. When we observe the reforms of John Calvin, Calvin reforms included conduct of people and preached moral way of life. He condemned card playing, drinking, denounced fashionable exposure in women's fashions. In Geneva, he introduced strict censorship in everyday life, forbidding theaters, music, dancing, and so on. The predominant idea of the theology was predestination. He held that God's will is supreme and determines everything. The individuals have no power to shape his destiny. At the very moment of a man's birth, his fate was determined. His fundamental doctrine was that only a chosen few would obtain salvation and all others would be condemned. Calvin organized his church on a democratic basis. He rejected the Roman Catholic idea that the government of the church belongs to solely to the clergy. He urged, as the church belonged to all Christians, the minister should be obliged to share power with the selected layman, called presbyters or elders. In certain affairs of the whole congregation should have a voice. His system of church government came to be known as Presbyterianism. He was also influential that Geneva he became the Pope and the Emperor of Protestantism. He established a theoretically society in Geneva, Theocratic Society. People hailed its perfect school of God on earth. Calvinism also made converts in France. Calvin's teachings and logic appealed to a small but influential body of Frenchmen. It had a political as well as religious significance. It represented among the lesser nobility an awakening of aristocratic spirit. The middle class viewed it as reaction against growing power of the king who adhered Catholic Church. The rich were largely attracted towards the French Calvinism. The Calvinism in France were known as Huguenots. They were the main check upon the royal authority. The Huguenots fought the civil and religious wars, which were fought in France throughout the greater part of 16th century. So the results of Calvinism produced man remarkable strength of will, extraordinary devotion, and indomitable energy. The strict discipline of Calvinism enabled Calvinists to resist their religious opponents. Politically, Calvinism championed the cause of democracy. The cause of individual liberty was furthered and royal despotism was checked. So, these are the Calvin's ideas and Calvinism. Thank you, viewers. We will meet again like this historical session. In this session, we have discussed the Martin Luther, Zwingli, and John Calvin and their ideas. See the synopsis. Thank you. We will meet again like these historical sessions.